Yeah, I'm back again working on my 1998 Ford Ranger, aka Beater Ranger. So yeah, I got bad brake line on the driver's side. The one extends all the way down the cabin to the back of the bed. I was quoted over $1,000, but I thought I'd pick up these lines here on eBay. Here they are right here. As you can see the price. Yeah, I was just doing it myself, man, because this car is not worth that much money. It's basically a high mile truck. So it comes in this kit. Yep, you get these two lines. You get, actually it's three lines. You get one long, intermediate, two small, and you get a coupler. So we're gonna run through how we're gonna take the old one off and put this new one on. Keep in mind, I never did this before. I'm just gonna do it. So if I can do it, you know, average person should be able to do it. It's just gonna, I got it soaked in WD-40 for a while overnight. Got my wrench on it and it should come off. So I'm narrating part of this video because audio is horrible. Here she goes. Okay, let's go compare it to the new one. See what we got. So this is the front part. Right here. That's the same. That's the bend. It'll be definitely this way. Turn, butt, turn, butt, turn. This should line up like that, right there. There's that turn. You have to form the ends a little bit. Noticing there's a slight variation, so I may have to bend the ends to get them to connect. Either way, this is the center. This is the longest of the three lines you're going to get out of this kit. So they're going to give you a coupler. It's going to attach to this end. No, excuse me, this end. Make sure you get the ends right. And I'll show you what this coupler is. 1 second. There you go. That's the end. The coupler is here. That's going to attach to the front section. That's going to go to your master cylinder. So I'm going to tape up the end before I feed it through. Keep the dirt out of it. All right, got it through there. Tape is still in place. So we need to get this old connector off. I cut the line so I get this socket, this open end socket over it. Take this tape off now. Oh, I'll come back to the tape. This socket, I was having trouble with it, so I had to soak it with WD-40 a little while longer. But now it's coming off. And that's key because you want to make sure you soak it, maybe even heat it up. If you break it, then it's going to cause more work. You got to replace that line. You got to get another part. So make sure you soak in a WD-40 or something, some type of solvent. Finally got it off. Bam. Now we can take the tape off the line. You're going to have to bend and form the line to the fitting after you get the tape off. So we got all this tape off. Yeah, there we go. Finally. So you're going to bend it slightly. Get in position and tighten it with your hands. Don't use a wrench initially because you're gonna cross thread the threads, and then you're gonna be in more trouble. You're gonna have to either buy a new line or tap them. So either way, get in position.